Today in this video I show you how to fix iPhone can't send messages to Android. If you are facing any problem in sending messages from iPhone to Android device, then you have to open Settings app. Now scroll down to find Messages and open it. Now you have to turn off iMessages toggle, and after few minutes you have to turn it on. You also have to turn off and turn on Send as SMS toggle. Now if you're still having problem in sending messages from iPhone to Android, then you can try to restart your iPhone. And you can also check your network signals or swipe down to check if you are in airplane mode. If your airplane mode is turned on, then you have to turn it off. Now if the above methods don't work for you, then you can go back and open General Settings. Now scroll down to click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Now click on Reset Network Settings. By doing this, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone can't send messages to Android. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.